All right, everybody, let me tell you what you are actually looking at right now. You are looking at a 2016 Tesla Model S 70D dual motor. Yeah. Now, this is an absolutely beautiful car. It's a Tesla, fully electric. May I tell you that much? Stay with us. Today at Southern Motor Company, I'm going to be walking you around a fully electric vehicle, showing it to you just as if it's any ordinary pre-owned vehicle at the car lot today. But do remember, at the end of the day, it is a Tesla. So what makes this car more special than all the other cars at the car lot? Well, I'll tell you, it's a Tesla. That's it. That's exactly what it is. That cool guy, Elon Musk, created it. And that is what makes it cool. Also, that cool guy, Elon Musk, has a rocket company. And that is really cool. And so many other awesome companies. You know, why wouldn't you want to buy a car from a cool guy like that? Right? Exactly. But in reality, when it comes down to it, we really want to look at this car because I want to show you that it's worth every penny that we're asking for it. So let's go ahead and start moving around, checking it out. If it has any dents, dings, scratches, imperfections, I will point them out to you. First off, the color. It's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, just look at it. It looks like the paint is wet without it actually being wet. It's got a shine about it. And believe it or not, the car hasn't been washed in days and it still looks that good. So if you buy this car and it sits in your driveway for days at a time, you're gonna have a car that always looks clean. I mean, come on, think about it. Also, look at these wheels. I mean, what a nice looking set of wheels. Those are 5 stars, they have split spokes to them. Massive brakes back there with the Tesla word on it. And the rotors are humongous. And it does have Michelin tires. So good stuff right there. Yeah. The exterior body on this car is in beautiful condition. I don't think we're gonna find any dents, dings, or scratches. The vehicle only has just around 22,000 miles on it. So it's got extremely low mileage for a 2016 model. The rear end on the car is just as sexy as the front of the car. And I'm telling you right now, it looks good. It really does. Let's take a quick look at the passenger side of it. You know, another thing that makes this car look so good is the body lines. It doesn't have any door handles kind of poking out. The door handles only come out when you get just the right closeness with your key, or you hit the button and they open up. Well, she's not performing for me, is she? What's going on? Let's go have a look, right? And again, that color is sweet. Another kind of neat little thing about this car, when you lock it, the mirrors fold in with it, right? Well, Chad, why does the mirrors fold in? Well, if you park in a parking spot that's close to the street, like a parallel parking, something like that, or in a tight spot, you don't have to worry about somebody hitting your mirrors there. And again, it looks cool with the mirrors tucked in like that. But anyways, there we go, look at that, all right. Look at all that stuff start moving around, isn't that neat? I mean, it really is just really neat. So anyways, it has just the right amount of chrome accents on it around the window sills, at the bottom of the doors. You know, stuff like that is what makes it special. Also up top here, it's got these beautiful panoramic glass sunroofs. One roof in the front, one in the back. So front and rear passengers can enjoy these beautiful Carolina skies. Man, I hope you can enjoy them too today. Now, Tesla worked extremely hard on one key feature, well, many key features, but this one I'm gonna go ahead and show you, or actually let you listen to it if you can. The sound of a door closing. Let's go ahead and listen to that. Wow. Listen to that one more time. Does that not sound good? One more time, one more time. You'll probably get to hear it a few more times throughout the video because I'll be opening and closing doors. But yeah, the sound of a door, believe it or not, on every car companies spend a lot of time trying to make it sound like that. All right. Now, also, what makes this car special? The interior. I mean, look at this right here. You got this line, then it kind of rolls out, goes back in, kind of looks like a little lightning bolt. Got that nice panel of tan and then black and the stitching, right? Believe it or not, look at this. You actually can store something in there if you wanted to. I don't know what you put in there, but you could throw something in there if you wanted to, because this is the actual handle. The seats look really nice, kind of like a racing seat without the racing harnesses, but a really nice looking seat. Another thing you'll notice, like with the seats, there's not really any other colors on them. It's all tan. Even the stitching in the seat is tan. What I like is how they got the tan seat, but then they do give you the dark black bottom down here and on the floors. I do apologize from some grass right there when we mowed the grass and Mr. Chris was driving the car. And then they give you a tan leather bottom to your dash and then a black leather top up here with this beautiful wood trim. Let's go ahead and sit in real quick. Oh wow, the AC is already nice and cold. Now there's not a whole lot of buttons in the car. When you get in for the first time, it really feels kind of odd. You're so used to other cars out there having so many buttons everywhere. Not the case with this car. We got 1, 2 buttons there. The rest is pretty much a screen, okay? So navigation, it's just a massive screen, which is really nice. I love it. And then you got another good looking screen right through there. So there you go. What's the horn sound like? Sounds like that. Then you got more wood trim down here. I'm liking it. Open up the glove box, just tap that button. It does that. And there's the manuals in there and stuff like that. And then you got your suede headliner up top, looks good. The A-pillars are wrapped in suede and all this. I love the wide mirror, it's just different. Little tiny little lights, okay, but they do a good job of lighting the interior of the car. You wonder, like, where are the lights in here? Well, they're right there, okay? And you got this up here for during the daytime to add more light. You know, another thing you'll pay attention to, a lot of people don't point out, is most cars in this area here, you know, have a little button and you can move that thing up or down depending on your height. On the Tesla, it's just one height. There's no need for different heights, right? Everybody can put their seatbelt on and be just fine, most likely. All right, I don't know what else to tell you, really, other than I know you like it already. It's one of those types of cars you really don't have to do a whole lot of selling on, because most people shopping for a Tesla already know they want a Tesla. It's really, at this point, just finding the Tesla and going and buying it. There's definitely a lot of Teslas cruising around Charleston, South Carolina here in the Low Country. We do have a charging station in the Tanger outlet area of North Charleston at the Mellow Mushroom. So if you ever wanted to get a look at more than one Tesla at a time, or see different colors or different models, just drive over there to the charging station, the Tesla supercharging station at Tanger Outlet at Mellow Mushroom on a Saturday or Sunday, and you'll see lots of Teslas. There's the trunk area, nice and big. It's a hatchback, of course. I mean, that's a really big trunk. This is different too, you know. Most cars have something you pull or whatever. I like that. And there's your stuff for at the house, but a very roomy trunk. Not bad. I like it. I really do like it a whole lot. You know, a lot of times us Americans, or us human beings, we just like stuff that's new and different. in things that just not everybody else has. This one right here, a 2016 Tesla Model S 70D with around 22,000 miles on it, right now in June 2021 is selling at our car lot for $48,900. We had it listed at $49,900 when we first got it, dropped it down to $48,900. At this point, let me tell you, if you want the car, just come and see me. We'll sit down and let's work out numbers. We'll figure out a way to make it happen. I'd love to see somebody take this home with them. It's a gorgeous vehicle. It's a beautiful car. I mean, goodness gracious. I can't imagine anybody not wanting to have that pretty baby sitting in the garage or at the driveway in the house. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. God bless America. We really do enjoy your time here on our Facebook page, or maybe on our YouTube channel, or even on the website. This is the 6th or 7th Tesla that we've sold here at Southern Motor Company. And again, all I can tell you is SMC, an independent pre-owned car dealership based out of North Charleston, South Carolina, us guys are really diving into the EV market and getting them out here to sell them to our customers here in the Low Country. So we hope you'll come. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. And let me know what you think of the Tesla. Is this something for you? Get in that comment section today.